Most brands stick to software tweaks for customization, but CMF by Nothing is shaking things up. Their upcoming budget smartphone will have a unique customization feature, allowing various back panels and accessories. This innovative approach extends to their new smartwatch as well, the CMF Watch Pro 2. In their teaser campaign, CMF by Nothing confirmed that the Watch Pro 2 will boast an interchangeable bezel system. An image was shared teasing this feature, but details on the mechanism remain under wraps. Changing the strap on a watch can be impactful, but being able to change both the strap and bezel almost makes it look like a completely different device. The CMF Phone 1 showcases exposed screws and a bottom right dial for switching rear panels and adding accessories. In contrast, the Watch Pro 2 images reveal a smooth, rounded case with no visible anchor points. Quite the contrast, right? A leaked image via the Nothing and CMF fan hub on X shows a black bezel giving the watch a boxy look. The lack of an external mounting solution suggests magnets might be used to secure the bezels. Imagine snapping on a new bezel like you're assembling the coolest gadget ever. No tools, no hassle, just click and go. Or it could be a rotating mechanism just like Xiaomi Watch S3. We'll know more soon, as CMF by Nothing is set to launch the Watch Pro 2 on July 8th, alongside the CMF Phone 1 and Buds Pro 2. What do you think of CMF by Nothing's bold design choices? Would you like to see interchangeable bezels on more smartwatches? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and catch you in the next one.